Yo, what's up, y'all? Y'all don't understand how mad I am right now. So it rained when I got home today and all that. So I went riding while Lizzie's out here. I went riding while I was raining. Not while I was raining. While it was raining. Rode in the creek. It was a little higher. I was having a good time sending it, making y'all a good quality video. So I come home. I end the video into the shop. I wait on the rain to slack off. I hit the power button on my GoPro. I don't know what went wrong. Not power, the end button on my GoPro. It must have got wet. So I got the video saved. I come inside. I put the camera down and I relax for a little bit and just chill out, watch some YouTube, and just lay on my bed for a little while. I got home about 5 after I made the video, and it's 6:30 now. I go to check my GoPro, go to edit the video and upload it for y'all and all that. And then freaking I see the video is not on the GoPro. It's not saved. I'm going to do everything I can to see if I can get it back somehow. I reckon the camera got wet, but if I can't, I'm sorry. I'll upload 2 videos tomorrow or something. So yeah, peace out.